You recording? What up, YouTube? Hey, I'm gonna show y'all how to fix a back door latch on a 97 Ford Explorer.
That's just if you didn't know.
If you didn't know, well, you will know now. See, you got two screws right here. Show them the screws, man. Show them the screws. You see two screws right here? You gotta unscrew them with a Phillips head screwdriver. See how easy that is? A genius can figure that out. A baby can figure it out.
On everything.
Alright. Let me go and take these screws out right quick. See how easy it is? Sit them somewhere where you don't lose them, because you lose them, you be fucked.
We just saying though, you wouldn't necessarily be fucked though, but shit, you would have to go buy another screw.
Yeah, I'm gonna say I'll go to the junkyard. See? This the door latch we put on right here, see? See? It's an easy door latch. Easy to put on door latch. Let me show you.
Easy.
Real easy, simple. Crystal clear.
And that's if you didn't know.
Alright. After you take out the two screws.
See, they're out. We ain't hesitate.
Alright. See, when there's gonna be some screw caps holding it in place, holding the thing in place. Only thing you gotta do, take your putty knife or a flathead screwdriver. Just yank on it. Just yank on it a little bit. See, get some screws, some little plugs out. Once you get them plugs out, you be good to go. And don't think this is my first video on YouTube, nigga, because it's not. One thing I do, yank this up. See? It was kind of hard, but it wasn't too hard. See? Now, on this, there's two screws you got unscrewed. 1, 2. Remember, 2 screws. It's real simple. But before that, though, take off this little water-resistant plastic right here. What up, stupid dog? Show the stupid dog.
Pitbull. We ain't getting it. Not this year. Running loose.
Dog. That dog crazy. Dog got problems. See how simple this is? See how simple this is? It's going to connect to the latch right here. See? The latch right here? It's going to connect to there. I'm going to show you in a second. For y'all dumb motherfuckers that don't know. But, pardon my language, but it's the truth. Some folks act dumb. I should put a video on how to fix my window over there. It wouldn't go down. The dumbass electrician that fixed my shit, he didn't plug it in. He was thinking I was going to have to come back so they can get some more money in me, but ain't half. It's fit. It's grave. All thing now I gotta do is concentrate on my power lock. See why my power locks won't work. Once I find out why they not working, I'll be in the game then. Matter of fact, let me look at that now. That's my power lock thing right there.
They wondering which one you gonna do.
Oh no, right now we doing the locks. Only thing I do, slide it out. See that? See how simple that is? Pull it out the latch. See? No work.
Hey, show them what's the problem. Why it wouldn't open.
Show them that.
Show them why it wouldn't open.
This motherfucker works.
Damn, they wanna.
You know. See? It still works. Just gotta test that bitch out. See why it's not proved. That motherfucker is working. Alright, let's test this out, see why it's not working. Put the plastic back on. Put this back on right quick. Don't pay attention to it. Don't pay attention to it. I was stupid, dude. Alright, hold on, let me test this out, see why it's not working. Alright, open it. Alright. I might have to do a video too on this too. Because I ain't got enough time on this camera right now. Take this back off. Alright. See what's going on. See what's going on.
It look like this is what we're gonna have to do, gentlemen. Or it don't even matter. But this is what we're gonna have to do. We're gonna have to get my 4x4 truck, and then we're gonna have to run slap into the door. So that way right there we can tear the frame up so we can see what's going on. So we're gonna have to holler at y'all later. Alright.